Alright guys, Cooreville Gardens. So another community drive with you guys. And today we're in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston, right off the boulevard. So that's where we are today. You could probably call it a scheme, mainly scheme type houses. A few townhouses as well, a few apartments. Yeah, just off the boulevard. Personally speaking, not one of the most lush neighborhood or plush neighborhood, but still covering it nevertheless. And we have Cooreville Gardens Basic School around the right. So just taking a quick drive through Cooreville Gardens. This is one of the older type communities, and as I always ask you guys, if you have ever lived in this community, if you're living in this community, if you grew up in this community, just let us know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out, give you a big up, give you a highlight. So Cooreville Gardens, Kingston. Alright, so as usual guys, and I know some persons may watch the videos, but for whatever reason haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. So once that subscribe button is still red, just click and turn it gray. Remember to like the video, leave a comment, and definitely share the video as well. Alright guys, so stay tuned and enjoy the community drive around Cooreville Gardens. Well, just looking at this, it seems as if somebody lives right here. With the stove, with the TV, with the cooking happening. So like that's somebody residence. We see an Audi over there as well. So they have the carport and everything. 2 vehicles at it. Explorer, Ford Explorer. Yeah. So everywhere you go, you see something new. There's a lot out there to be seen, guys. Again, Cooreville Gardens, leave your comments. Let's continue with the drive. So we're on Gaylords Avenue. So this seems to be the community center, Cooreville Gardens Community Center. We'll go back out on the main. That's again showing you guys around the community. So we have mainly seen the townhouses. So just gonna show you guys a quick glimpses of the apartment complexes. I think over a year now or 2 years they recently repainted the apartment clusters. Before that the exterior was in very bad condition in terms of the need of some paint, but they recently did some painting over the last probably say 12 to 18 months. I know a lot of persons passing on the boulevard would have seen these complexes heading into 3 miles, 6 miles. You would have been able to glimpse these complexes as well. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 to 16 of these apartment clusters. So a lot of persons reside over here, and if we're saying at least 20 persons per cluster, it's a good amount. Alright guys, so again just showing you around the community, showing you around Cooreville Gardens, Kingston, right off the boulevard. Alright guys, so we'll basically end the video anywhere around here. So again, thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for subscribing if you haven't done so before. Thanks for subscribing in advance, and if you have already subscribed, thanks for subscribing nevertheless. So remember to leave your comments in regards to Cooreville Gardens, and I'll definitely see you on another community driving video. We've covered quite a few number of communities already. You can see them on the channel. Thanks again for the support guys, and see you on another one.